In this video, I'm going to be sharing you a scalping session of a price action trader. I'm going to be relying on pure price action candlesticks as they are printed on a chart. We start with consolidation, news came out. Downtrend played out with the break, 2 legs to a new extreme. And now because the downtrend played out and we have push above EMA, this can signal potential bullish reversal. So for this reason, I'm drawing a brand new uptrend working higher. And I cannot sell because we have a break in new extreme. And right now we keep trending higher. Now we have a break in new extreme. There was a failed second entry short reversal pattern. It was also second entry long, but the signal bar was just very weak. Unfortunately, even the high low wasn't that great, but the context here was good for the reversal. Now we have a break in new high. However, we are right now in the back congestion EMA exactly in the middle of these bars, so I'm not even touching this. We are closing outside of the channel, and because we kept pushing higher so strongly, I adapted to brand new wide uptrend. You can see EMA keeps rejecting. So right now we expect new high over this uptrend. However, there was only a first entry long, and I cannot take just a first entry. Although it looks like this V-shaped reversal will probably head to an extreme. But this is what I'm doing, trying to identify where the market is going based on the context, on the market geometry, looking for pattern, and following the trend line rule. Break a new extreme, straight into reversal. We need to get new high now. Possible wider channel, but I'm not really sure if this channel is valid or not, because there was a break and we created a move to a new extreme on the first entry long. So if we get a failed second entry short here, which would also be new high, first entry long, second entry long, I could consider this because it would be quite a decent channel confirmation. Right here you can see if we get a nice bullish bar here, I may go long here. Okay, here we have a failed second entry short, but I cannot take it because this leg down can get a second leg to a new extreme. Also, I don't like when the failed second entry short is at the same level of the high low. You can see it is going way too sideways. Uptrends played out with the break in new extreme, and you can see this is the high of the day, important key level. And this is why it is so important for every price action trader to understand where the high of the day and low of the day key levels are, because it can give you a hint where the sellers may step into the market. We had very strong and deep spike working lower, so I need to adapt to a brand new downtrend. And right now I'm looking for second entry short at the EMA because there's going to be a break of this downtrend. It's gonna need a retest. Okay, traders, so I was about to take the second entry short, break a new high, but the signal bar was quite neutral. And there's a case to be made for small support here. You can see EMA flattened, some important key level here, but I believe this spike down is gonna get new extreme. Oof, that's a shame. Clean two-legged pullback, break a new high. The signal bar looked great, but towards the close, it formed quite neutral. Right, traders, resuming the video because I just entered what is a new high, first entry long, pullback. So like a second entry long. We keep creating high lows. The support keeps coming into play strongly. This is why the sellers almost tested a new extreme, but not absolutely to the tick. It's because the buyers are stepping into the market. We have series of high-low geometric formation, and we have brand new uptrend established. This is a very strong bullish bar, closing above EMA, confirming the channel basically. And because we are right now in a trend range, we're most likely going to go all the way to resistance again. So the signal bar is quite big. For this reason, I'm going for 2.5 points, 10 ticks. Scalping 7 contracts, leaving 1 contract as a runner, and my stop loss always goes 1 tick below the signal bar. Okay, so we're bouncing off the trend channel line, but I still think we could reach a couple more ticks here. The higher lows really give it away right now that the brand new channel is established. The buyers are stepping into the market off the support. EMA keeps holding the trend line, keeps holding. Bouncing back zero, but we need to tick through. Come on. And we tick through. So I'm gonna place my stop loss to break even because anything we're gonna make is just a bonus. I may steepen the channel or widen it eventually because we keep breaking it higher. And I'm going to take the runner around these highs at the top of the trend range. We created a new swing low, so I'm going to tighten my runner 1 tick below this swing. And we can either hit my stop loss or we can hit the target profit. Either way, we're gonna make at least something, and if we're gonna reach the target profit, it's gonna be even better. Alright traders, our runner just got hit. The uptrend played out with the break new extreme. We have a push above EMA, so this uptrend is new high. I'm thinking about failed second entry short, new low first entry short, second entry short failure above EMA, because this uptrend should get new high. We also traded up into this consolidation, so there's more of a bullish bias. We'll see how the failed second entry short will form. It is a little bit stacked. You can see EMA flatten, but if the failed second entry short is going to form well, I might have to risk it. Alright traders, I was considering buying this visual two-legged pullback, but problem is we didn't fully technically reach the new extreme here, and the measured move is a little bit lower, so for this reason I'm waiting for additional setups such as high low. I'm going to wrap it up with my one high probability setup, second entry long high low.